Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'll show you how to make this delicious and spicy South Indian style soya pepper fry. Let's get started. Heat up a pan, add in 3 dry red chilies, a teaspoon of fennel seed and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this add in a teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder. Dry roast this for 3 or 4 minutes on medium flame till the spices gets hot. Once done, let it cool and come to room temperature. Meanwhile, heat up 1.5 cups of soya chunks in 2 cups of water. Season it with some salt and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. I have added about half a teaspoon of salt. Once the spices have cooled down, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Meanwhile, drain the soya chunks using a strainer. Using a spatula, squeeze out the remaining excess water. Now I have powdered the spices. Now chop up 2 onions and 1 green chilli. I have de-seeded the green chilli as I did not want to make it more spicier. Now in a pan add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used gingerly oil for this recipe. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Once the fennel seeds begin to crackle, add in the chopped onions and green chilli. Saute till the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for a minute or two or until the raw aroma of ginger and garlic goes off. Now to this add in a bunch of curry leaves. Mix everything well. Now to this add in the cooked and drained soya chunks. Now season it with half more teaspoon of salt. Add in the ground spice powders. Mix well so that the soya chunks gets coated evenly with the spice powders. Now saute and cook this for 5 more minutes. Meanwhile, finely chop some coriander leaves. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves, serve and enjoy. You can also choose to add half a teaspoon of lemon juice if you prefer it. This goes well with all the rice recipes. Hope you found this video useful. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.